Yo, checking in. See here, guys. Let's take a look at some commodities today. First time going live, seeing how this works from New York. So let's get into it. All right, here, looking with natural gas right now. As you see here, consolidating right here at this level. Very nice. My level's hanging out pretty darn good. Um, Obviously, if you played any of these, you made some money today. Bounced right into this level down here, came a little longer, a little lower here, down to this more level here. This is actually, you could make this another level right now. As you see here, it's touched here multiple times, never closed with a candle. So right there could be a level as well right here in this area. So it touched down here, came back up, bounced up here, back up here, came right back down. It's just consolidating in this area. I was a degas, but I exited because I think it's going to raise back up, and I don't want to be in something that's so high already like you guys. So I exited that, and I'm hoping for a pullback on natural gas overnight. So probably be back down to under sub 50. If you're under and sub 50, you're going to do well. But I always watch this chart in regards to that. So then next we're crude oil. All right, looking at crude oil, we are down in this area again. This is my buy zone right here. I was really close. I did enter in a little earlier when it came back. When I saw this wick form, I knew that it might have bottomed there because it bottomed there over here as well, as you can see. So I could have expanded this a little bit more, but I really wanted to get down to here. But I did enter half a position size into USO for overnight swing because I think crude oil is going back up. I think it's hit its bottom right here because in the past that has been its bottom as well. Looking at gold. Looking at gold here, let's take a look. Gold, I am short on gold right now. I was overnight, and it worked out pretty well because I think the market's strong again. I see it coming up to this level here, which is an old resistance. I think it's come back up to this zone here, and that's going to sell back off. We're going to see lower lows. So I am in JDST and JNUG, or not JNUG, but JDST and UGLD. If you look at JDST, it has sold off significantly because of gold rallying and the market. But I think we're going to catch some traction. The U.S. dollar is going up right now, and gold doesn't directly correlate with the dollar, but it does directly. Kind of its own thing here. So looking at JDST on the 4-hour, came down here, touched these spots here yesterday as well as today. So did average down here. I see it coming back up to this area here, the $71, $72 area before selling. That would be my next sell point before another pullback. So then let's look at, let's see here. LABU has been selling off like crazy because of the market. And look at that. I didn't even play this today, but I wish I did. Perfect bounce right there, that 41. Oh, man. That is just perfect. Take a picture of this, guys, if you want. That is perfect. Set an alert. I'm going to set an alert tomorrow. You should see a pullback here. I think it's going to pull back. If it bounces and makes a new higher low, if it bounces right here on this level at the $44, that's golden. That's a good sign for the market. Obviously, LABD up at the highs again. So, yeah, look at that rejection right to there. Kind of on a support there. So I guess really LABD come down here and bounce back up. But LABU would be the play for me, to be honest, right now. If the market just keeps selling off, though, do not hold. Cut your losses short, let your runners win. Looking at LUV, another one I was playing. Actually, BAC was my big one today. That was the one that was perfect. I set all these out last night. So when it came down to this level, I was awesome. This is where my alert was, and I'll show you exactly how I found this level. If we look down back to the 400, see, this thing just crashed down, and it yearly lows right now. So I got this level, these two levels here, was way back here at the beginning of the year. And if you take a look right here, it touched here before. So just the wicks and the bodies. And then right over here as well. It's pretty cool, though. You can go do whatever you want. Just leave. Sorry about that, guys. And then we're looking at this level here as well. So for tomorrow, that would be your sell zone right here in the 23, 24, because this is where it bounced. If it does crash lower, it would go to here. Anything lower than that, you do not want to hold this. But as you see here, this was a bounce point and it worked out perfectly. Hence why I ordered it right at that level. So as you see, you still have a lower one there. If it does break that, that's not a good sign though. The only other one I did play was Apple. And I didn't even make his own for this. I was just looking at the whole market itself and why it bounced there. Because this is what I found on the SPY the other day. And this is where the zones I was calling out earlier as well. Right in this level here. So I saw it bouncing kind of down here, mainly 25.82. So if you wanted to really make this look, the reason it bounced there was because it bounced way beyond there. Wow, that is bad. But we're looking at the 4 hours, so you could even, I came back to this level way over here. And I'll just do a little quick recap. I won't even look at that. I have no idea what they bounced at. But look at here. This is a zone. Wicks right there. All the way down to here. That would be another one. So I know it's a little bit larger. It's a 20 point. What is that? Yeah, about 10, 12 points. Right there would be a buying zone. Another one would be right here because it did touch there right over here. It did touch there a lot. Right in that level there as well. If you look at over here, touch there a few times there. And then my next one would be right up here. It touched there multiple times and probably right there. That would mean in my next zone. So those are zones. The wicks there, it never closed. So that's why if you come back over here, scroll over, let's see where those zones are today. That's funny. So I did no idea, but bounce there again, perfect. And let's see where my next sell zone is at. So bounce here, and I would have sold right here, this sell zone here, but it broke that. It came up to this sell zone here, broke back down. Now it's in between this area, so it's got to break either above this or below this or above this. So that's how I found my zone, guys. If you have questions, let me know. Sorry, it's been kind of busy. Been in New York for vacation. So if you have any questions, let me know. First time going live. So thank you as always. Peace out.